What? It's not morning anymore? Huh. Well, it's probably morning for somebody somewhere, right? My morning was pretty good, since I got to see you when I woke up.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Effective Advocacy Crafting Concept Papers and Position Papers. I am Anibet Alumni, your host.
Understanding Concept Paper.
What is a concept paper? A concept paper outlines a research project's fundamental aspects.
Key elements include: first, title page, background, literature review, problem statement, methodology, timeline, and references.
Writing effective concept papers. Tips for writing concept papers. First, choose a compiling topic. Provide background information, outline contents, define mission statement, explain research aims.
Additional tips. First, detail methodology. Second, highlight potential impact. Third, use clear language.
Understanding position papers. A position paper presents an argument or stance on a specific issue.
Writing effective position papers.
Tips for writing position papers. First, clearly define the issue. Take a firm stance. Provide evidence.
Addition tips: first, conclusion with a call to action. Second, use persuasive language. Third, support with data. Strategies for a successful advocacy.
Effective advocacy strategies. Number 1, build coalitions. Number 2, engage stakeholders. Number 3, utilize social media. Number 4, lobby policy makers. Number 5, monitor progress.
Thank you. Remember, effective concept papers and position papers drive successful advocacy.
Behind the scene.
Eh?